Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting into the second week of March. Yesterday was a weekend day, Sunday, but today you're back to school. What's the first day of the week that you go to school usually? Monday. Yep, today is Monday. What number would you expect to see after 7? That's what I would expect to see. It is 8. All right. Let's say the date together. Today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. What will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. What number would you expect to see there? 7, 8, 9. That's right. Do you remember what day I said that the first day of spring officially will be? The 20th. How many days are in this entire month? Who remembers? We turned the card over last week to see. Let's see if you remembered. 31. There are 31 days in March. So I want to work on a fact family again this week. And this week, I would like to work on a fact family for number 10. Okay, so 10 is going to be one of my numbers that I pick. Now, I need to think of 2 other numbers that add up to 10 to use to make my fact family. So today, let's see, I'm going to pick 6 and 4. So I'm going to use 6, 4, and 10 because I know 6 and 4 make 10. So these 3 numbers I'm going to make 4 number sentences with. 2 adding and 2 subtracting. And it'll be cool. Alright, now if I want to start with my adding ones, I know that when I put 2 numbers together it has to equal something. So which one of these numbers is the biggest number? Because that's the number that's going to equal. 10 is the biggest number, so that's going over here. Whatever it is has to equal 10 because that's what the largest number is. So I'm going to use 6 and 4. I'm going to say 6 plus 4 equals 10. And let's check and make sure, just for fun. So 6, I'll do it this way, 6, 5, 6, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Definitely 10. Alright? So 6 and 10 is 4. Now I can take 6 and 4 and switch places with those because it doesn't make any difference. Okay? When you're adding, it doesn't matter. You can have 6 on one side or 6 on the other side and 4 on the other side or 4 on the other side. Still 10. 6 and 4 more make 10, or 4 and 6 also make 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I can't switch anything else around because I can't change this last number because that's the total. Okay, that's what you have all together. But when I write subtraction number sentences, I have to start with this number because when you're subtracting, you have a certain amount, and then you take something away and then find out what's left. So when I'm doing my subtraction ones, I have to start with 10 and take something away. So then I start taking away these parts. Okay? So here's my whole 10, and I'm going to take one part away. I'm going to choose 6 first. I'm going to take 6 away from 10. And it should equal 4 because I'm only using these 3 numbers. I'm almost positive it has to equal 4. So let's see, 10. And I'm going to take 6 away. 5, 6. Definitely leaves 4. Now I'm going to take these. I have to use my whole, my biggest number, and take one part away. Now I already took 6 away. I can't take 6 away again. But I can take the other part, 4, away, and I should get the other number, 6. Let's see if that happens. So 10, and take 4 away. Yep, 5, 6. It does equal 6. Now there are lots of, well, not lots, but several more fact families we can write for the number 10. We can choose we can choose not 6 plus 4, but 2 plus 8 is 10. We could use 2, 8, and 10. We could use 3 and 7 and 10, because those things all equal 10 too. So I guess we'll maybe on Wednesday and Friday we'll choose some different ones that equal 10. All right. Now we have 2 new sight words, and they are did, D-I-D, like I did it, and here, H-E-R-E, like I am here in this spot. Okay. So we're going to use those today. Now I have a sentence. It has 3. I don't have one sentence. I have 3 sentences that go together. All right. So write small on your board if you're writing with me today. So my first one is, and we're going to use last week's sight words too, saw and be, and we're going to use did and here. All right. So my first sentence is, I saw a blue vase here. I saw a blue vase here. 6 words. All right. I'm going to start way over here because I know I got a lot to write, and you write small on your board. Capital I at the beginning. And then our sight word from last week, saw. Do you remember? S-A-W. I saw. And then my little word A. I saw a. Now we're going to use a color word, blue. Do you remember how to spell blue? It starts with a, B-L-U-E. I saw a blue. Then I'm going to use a V word. Okay, we had V words last week. Vase. Vase. V-A-S-E. I saw a blue vase. Then I'm going to write my new sight word here, H-E-R-E. I saw a blue vase here. I'm going to put a period there. Now, you might go into a room and you're saying, I saw a blue vase here, but maybe it's not there now. Okay? So then what might you think if it wasn't there? But you knew it had been there before. It was supposed to be in that spot. Well, you might think it may be broken. Okay? If the vase was missing, you might think it may be broken. Okay? It, first word, capital I-T. Now when we say it, we're talking about the vase. May is M-A-Y. And then we're going to use the sight word from last week, be. Remember, it's not the bzz, B-E-E kind of be. It's just B-E. It may be now my next word is broken. B-R-O-K-E-N. It may be broken. And I'm going to put a period. I saw a blue vase here. It may be broken. Uh-oh. Then, if it's broken, you might think, who did it? Who is W-H-O. We need a capital W at the beginning. Beginning of a new sentence. Who Now my new sight word, did, D-I-D, who did it? I-T. Now, you definitely ask a question there, right? And that you don't know the answer to, so we definitely need a question mark. Who did it? Right? You should have 3 sentences. Let's see if we can read it. I saw a blue vase here. It may be broken. Who did it? I hope it wasn't you. Have a great day.